routine area under the curve question. So basically to start, we'll plot. So what we have is y is from 0 to 1. So let's say this is y equals to 1, x equals to 1, and y equals to 1, and this is x equals to 9 by 4. This is 9 by 4 comma 0. This is 0 comma 1. Then the line x plus y greater than equals to 2, x plus y equals to 2 is this. This point being 1 comma 1. This is 2 comma 0. And x plus y greater than equals to 2 is this region. I will this region. Then I have x greater than equals to 3y. So say something like this. At x 9 by 4, y is 3 by 4. Something like this. 9 by 4 comma 3 by 4, and x greater than 3 by means this region. So our final region we have to find the area of is this region. To find the area, so what we have is this height is 3 by 4, this is 9 by 4. So the area of this whole triangle becomes half into 9 by 4 into 3 by 4, and I will subtract the area of this triangle from this. So that area is half into the base is this length, which is 2, into height. This is the point of intersection of the line x equals to 3y and x plus y equals to 2, and I want to find the y coordinate. So 2 minus y equals to 3y, which gives me y equals to half. So into this is the area of this triangle, this is half. So the area of the yellow region is 27 by 32 minus half, which becomes 11 by 32. So answer is A.